Your transmission starts acting up, the gears feel off, and suddenly that dreaded check engine light is staring you down from the dashboard. If you have run a scan and found the code P076A, you are looking at a general malfunction in the shift solenoid H circuit. Now, do not panic, but do not ignore it either, because what starts as a moderate annoyance can quickly turn into a total transmission meltdown. Essentially, your automatic transmission is a complex maze of hydraulic circuits, and these solenoids are the gatekeepers. They open and close to direct fluid to the right clutches and bands at exactly the right time so you can shift smoothly. When the PICM, or the powertrain control module, detects that solenoid H is not doing its job, it throws this code. This applies to a huge range of vehicles, from Ford and Chrysler to Toyota and Volkswagen, though the exact fix might change depending on what you are driving. You might notice the transmission slipping, overheating, or even the car falling into limp mode to protect itself. Before you go out and buy a new solenoid, you have to be a bit of a detective. Start by checking your transmission fluid. Is it low? Is it dark and smelling like burnt toast? If the fluid is dirty, it can clog the tiny passages or the solenoid itself. Also, check your wiring. These wires live in a harsh environment and can get rubbed raw or corroded. I always tell people to check for any TSB or technical service bulletins for their specific model first, because sometimes the manufacturer already knows about a common quirk and has a specific shortcut for the fix. If the fluid and wires look good, you might be looking at a faulty solenoid or a valve body issue. Take it step by step, and you will save yourself a lot of headache and a lot of money down the line.